How to change your location in Shein application. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can change Shein location. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to launch the Shein application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your home page. Now to change your location, tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner. Now again from here, head over to top right and tap on the settings icon. Now on the settings, you will see an option as location, tap on it. Now from here, scroll through and search for your location. Once you find it, simply tap on it. For example, currently my location is set as Argentina. In order to change it, I want to change it to Australia. All you have to do is tap on it. If you're not able to find your location there, you can use the help of the search bar as well. As you can see, my location is now changed. And that's how you can change your location in Shein application. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.